What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Jasmy fam, Jasmy Knots. I am back with another video for you guys. Hope you guys are doing amazing. Blessings to you and yours, and you know, your family and everything. Markets looking pretty markets aren't looking great. I just gotta be honest, man. The markets aren't looking great. 1.9% down on the total crypto market cap. Bitcoin is down, Ethereum is down, everything is down today. Majority of altcoins, they are down. And the same could be said for Jasmy, guys. Jasmy is down, and you know, that's to be expected when the lead market mover, Bitcoin, is not in a great spot. The same thing will happen with Jasmy. We are following Bitcoin pretty much, you know, on par on the 7-day and the 1-day chart. We're not that much up against Bitcoin, but this is good. This is very good. You know why? Because the correlation between Jasmy and Bitcoin is absolutely on par, right? You know, basically the same chart. So when Bitcoin starts to get bullish again, we see Bitcoin starts to approach new all-time highs, right? You'll see Jasmy up to those price levels where you see 30 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents in the future, man. And I wouldn't rule that out at all. Jasmy sitting at 0.003378. $165 million in market cap, $15.2 million in 24-hour trade volume. Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, Kraken, Bithumb, all of these exchanges are generating great volume with Jasmy. And I think, you know, we just gotta keep the dollar cost averaging in. If you don't have a bag that you're comfy with, you're not happy with the bag that you have, now's the best time to scoop, man. Like, this is the time to scoop, man. This is the time to add to your bags and DCA, man, because you're not gonna get these opportunities going into the bull cycle. That's for sure. When the bull cycle is here, majority of altcoins will break out and have a huge pop, and then it's gonna be a boom and bust phase, and that's when you take profits. The same way you DCA on the way down, you DCA on the way up, right? You layer you take profits slowly on the way up, right? From BGM, Jasmy, I'm bullish on Jasmy, buying these dips. LFG, this is at 4 hearts, guys. That is great to see. Jasmy community is always active. Millhouse, big old W bottom people. 2 hearts, 1 thumbs up. Jasmy looking very great, man. You love to see it. And the community is always super engaged. From Captain Jasmy, it's happening. Jasmy Ambassador. So right here we have from Hara, the Jasmy Global Ambassador Program. Recruitment summary. Individuals who voluntarily distribute information about Jasmy or Jasmy Lab. Individuals who actively communicate with us. Currently there is no specific compensation, but we are looking for individuals who can actively serve as ambassadors. Individuals who have an affinity for Jasmy activities. Dissemination of information related to Jasmy or Jasmy Lab. Building community in the designated region and collaborating with communities in other areas. Individuals who can enjoy participating in projects related to Jasmy. Additional activities will be added in the future. Process. Please send a DM to Jasmy MGT on Twitter with a brief profile, your current country, and your enthusiasm. We will contact those who pass the selection process, so please reply within 24 hours. You will have a communication session with Hara on Twitter Space. Due to time constraints, we are considering conducting this section collectively. The results will be announced by Jasmy MGT. We'll arrange a gathering afterwards. We look forward to receiving many applications. Everyone who loves Jasmy, please apply. For more details, please refer to a separate document. And being a part of the Jasmy Ambassador Program gets you some benefits as well. And I'm sure Howard will break down. I think we already went through some of the benefits. I don't clearly remember them off the top of my dome right now, but it is great to see. Baby Angel, Brian, 30 Acres, Jasmy US, Tony Peacock, May, Houston. A lot of people are interested in becoming Jasmy ambassadors. That is great to see. Mentalect, ambassador, aka the Jasmy Army. And It's you know, absolutely awesome stuff, man. Great to see for the Jasmy fam. So the full ambassador program, Captain Jasmy hit us with the update, because this was last month, right? Captain Jasmy hitting us with the update saying that it's happening with the fire emoji. Awesome, man, absolutely awesome. So everybody that wants to be a Jasmy ambassador, you know, that time is looked like it's almost upon us, man. And getting some extra benefits is great as well. From Hide has a Jasmy write-up, the Japanese community. Jasmy now the biggest premier project for converting economic activity data into credit movements regarding NFT conversion of medical data in the medical industry. Not only charts but also the latest medical payment papers and treatment data NFT. However, it is okay to disclose personal information including patients. It is solved by crediting the data with the Jasmy PDL. The Japanese holders as well, diving into the rabbit hole, and you love to see it. Data that the data owner does not wish to disclose will not be disclosed. But do you really want to disclose it? Nara is credited as an expensive item and approached by the owner. Medical technology for money. Some people say that, but the labor of medical workers is not free, so shouldn't they need legitimate credit? Crediting will require precision to be evaluated as an international standard, not as a consensus. First of all, the adoption of Jasmy PDL in Japan is not a small point of view, and international use is required. Absolutely awesome and bullish stuff from Hide, man, right? That's why you can't talk about advancing into the medical field at past AMAs unless you're moving internationally, right? Hara-chan. That's it. We are waiting for the announcement. Very, very awesome stuff. I'm telling you guys, the Jasmy personal data lockers is a great utility that brings that real world utility to crypto, right? And I really do believe a lot of companies, the medical sector, etc., are going to integrate the PDLs into their companies. From Watchaguru, Saudi Arabia, Argentina, Egypt, Ethiopia, Iran, and UAE to join the BRICS on January 1st, 2024. So the BRICS nation keeps expanding, guys. And I told you guys in my previous video, China, Russia, all of these other countries that are joining the BRICS nations to step away from using the US dollar, right? When the US dollar crashes, the DXY crashes, that is great for crypto, TradFi markets. That's when you see Bitcoin start to break out. That's when you see altcoins start to become bullish again, when the DXY crashes. It has happened throughout the history of trading stocks. There's an inverse correlation between the DXY, the S&P 500, and Bitcoin, right? When the DXY is moving to the upside with interest rates, what caused the bear market in the first place last year with Jerome Powell raising interest rates, what caused that? What happened with that? The DXY made a break to the upside, started to go parabolic. What happened to crypto and stocks, Bitcoin? Everything crashed. What's going to happen next with the less use of the US dollar because of the BRICS nations stepping away from it? Guess what's going to happen to the DXY? It's going to fall. It's going to crash, right? And with that happening, Bitcoin, crypto, Jasmy, all of these assets that have are strong fundamentally will break out to the upside. From Forza, Captain Jasmy, catch me if you can. So remember we talked about the Metaverse project, the gaming project that had a partnership with Jasmy. People in the community are playing it, man. And that's awesome. Once again, talking about the BRICS nations, and there are 6 new members to the BRICS nations: Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa. These are the first set of nations, and now they added Argentina, Egypt, Ethiopia, Iran, Saudi Arabia, and the UAE. So the displacement of the US dollar, the DXY, is happening very fast. Things change very quickly, guys, so keep an eye on that. Crypto Moon Team, Jasmy, new listing. We already covered that. From Crypto Laxi, token supply analysis of the PJTs with market cap from 150 mil to 300 mil and finite max supply. The infographic provides information about the distribution of tokens of the maximum total supply of the selected PJT. So look at this right here. We have Jasmy and its PJTs with the market cap and the fully diluted market cap. As you can see, look at WorldCoin. Terrible tokenomics. 1% circulating, 1.2% circulating. So the market cap is 171 million with the fully diluted at 13.5 billion. What is this? GMT. You remember move to earn? That trend that came and went. 182 million market cap, circulating supply, 996 fully diluted. Pancake swap, not great either. 269 million market cap, 943 fully diluted. And a lot of people use pancake swap, right? Dash, FET, ALF, JST, much better. YFI, much better. Quantum, much better. And you have Jasmy right here. 163 million circulating supply, fully diluted. 167 million. Great tokenomics, guys. I'm telling you, the full supply is out now, and it's only a matter of time, right, for us to find that bottom. The market finds its bottom, and then we have an impulse out of this bear market trend to a bull market trend, and then it's up only until we see the next boom and bust phase. So Jasmy fam, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything Jasmy and myself will be in the description. Share the video with your friends and family. Comment down below. I love reading your comments. Let me get your thoughts, man. Any interesting information, share with me as well, guys, so I can cover it in future videos. Thanks again for all the support, and I'll catch you in the next one.